Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot on the dot chart. We updated yesterday the support zone here for this fourth wave to give it another chance because it came quite deep. And I was thinking maybe I did get the micro count wrong here. And there is not the perfect answer, but the fact that it, listened to or respected this 38.2 retracement level now makes me wonder maybe this is the right count. All we did basically, but there are different ways how you can count this structure down here. Creates a little bit of uncertainty. So I decided now to go with this as a 1-2. I did have the entire sort of structure here as a wave 1, which is, to be honest, quite long time-wise. So maybe it's more a smaller 1-2, 1-2 we're dealing with here. But again, you see a lot of distortions on these smaller altcoin, smaller time frames, right? So there is not the perfect answer. Okay, don't always think the market can always give you the perfect answer, because it can't. However, it's currently respecting that Fibonacci zone. Support remains at $6.09, $6.10 roughly, for one more high in a wave 5 of a larger degree third wave. So the idea is still that we can push higher in this still unfolding third wave. To believe this wave count, however, I need the price to get to, well, at the very least $8.05. Better would be $8.66 or even $9.20. This is sort of, you know, the higher the better, you could say, in this third wave. But for now, I only have 3 waves up off the low, of the November low. Yeah. Well, it's not the November low, it's the 21st of November low, 22nd of November low. So I need 5 waves in a, you know, in a substantial length, in an adequate length to call it a third wave. So that's what I need to see to believe it. Until then, there is higher risk that it could be something different. For example, that's why we're tracking the support area to know when something different is playing out here. So at the moment, while this could be the start of the wave 5 already, it hasn't taken out any of there's none of the previous highs. Okay, so it's still stuck. That means all this could be is just, it could form into a larger ABC structure, basically a larger flat structure where the A wave was 3 waves, B wave could be done, maybe even a little higher, but and then C wave down. As long as we're holding the $6.09 level and don't get a sustained break below that, I remain focused on this wave count and we can still push higher. Below that level, honestly, it opens the door to many other scenarios, which I definitely try to avoid. One scenario I am tracking in parallel is that, well, what if all of this is a 5-wave move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then it would have to be a diagonal, and it's kind of an unusual diagonal. So again, cannot rule it out. That would be my fallback option. And then we will update this support area. Should we break below $6.09, that would be my bullish support. But below that, then I won't have anything bullish left. I mean, support would then be $4.20. It doesn't need to use the entire box. Yeah, there will be support levels beforehand, maybe here 477, 523, but let's say that is my fallback plan. Yeah, we all need to understand that altcoin structures are fairly fragile, and when they start to break, we need to have a fallback plan, or we have no idea what's going on, right? We always want to be prepared in case the market takes, let's say, the downside pathway, which it can always do. Yeah, so I think levels are all clear for now. So we just need to see if the market already pushes higher in the 5th wave, or if we're getting a more extended 4th wave correction, which then could find support maybe again at 644 or $6.09. These are definitely the levels that we can watch for now. That's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.